Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 50 EuroCents coin from Greece. Dated 2002. On the obverse side, this coin features Eleftherios Venizelos, one of Greece's most important modern political leaders. Around the portrait, you can see his name written in Greek, along with the year 2002. Surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union. The reverse side shows the common European Union design, displaying the value 50 EuroCent and a map of Europe, symbolizing unity among member countries. This coin is struck in Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. While most 2002 Greece 50-cent coins are common in circulation. High-grade uncirculated examples or coins with minting errors can be worth more to collectors. Always check your change for off-center strikes, weak details, or unusual marks, as these can increase a coin's value. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.